Them pickles look
That looks good as hell.
Yeah, they do. I'm about to be smashing. I got both my meals. Oh, this is kind of cute. The little ketchup packets. A little interesting. Oh, they gave us honey too. This is the medium. Oh, these are just the tenders. Oh, they also gave us, this is the mac and cheese too. Can you open this, please? These are the tenders with the pickles. They look good too.
Ooh, this looks good.
That looks busting. This is the mac and cheese that everybody be getting. Maybe back it up too. Oh, there you go. Ooh, that look good. That's good. Here. Put it back there. Alright.
And then these are the tenders?
Yeah.
You already chose?
Yep.
These are tenders.
Ooh, let's get it. Wait, how do we know which ones? I thought we told them one medium.
I don't know, I think you just